Hello, my dear friends. Today, we are going to talk about something very important in the world of computers: data recovery. We all sometimes lose things, right? The same can happen with data on computers. They can disappear or hide. Luckily, there are ways to get them back. Let us listen to how our animal friends dealt with this topic. By the pond, Cat and Ladybug met. Cat was worried because he lost some data from his computer. Ladybug, who builds websites, said that maybe the data ran away because they got scared of a big spider living in the computer. Cat thought that maybe you just have to call the data loudly so they come back. I had to explain to them that data disappears because of a problem, a mistake, or by accident. But luckily, you can often get it back using special computer tools. On the flower meadow, Frog and Mouse were telling each other about their biggest computer troubles. Frog remembered that once she accidentally deleted an application project she had worked on for a week. She started to rebuild it from memory, but then remembered a program for recovering files. She used it, and the program found her whole project on the computer. Mouse shared that once Parrot spilled juice on the keyboard and the computer turned off. Everyone thought the data was gone, but Mouse took out the disk, connected it to his own device, and got back all the photos and chat messages. That is what we call data recovery. On the playground, Dog and Sparrow were playing together. I decided to check their knowledge about data recovery. Dog, as a programmer, said that when he accidentally deleted his code, he used a recovery tool and quickly got everything back. Sparrow, who studies algorithms, explained that data does not always disappear forever. Often, it is still saved somewhere and can be found with the right methods. I praise them for their great answers. Data recovery lets us save important information, even when it seems lost. Let us sum up what we learned today. Data recovery is a process that helps us bring back lost or deleted information from a computer. With special programs, data that seems gone forever can return. That is why it is important to know that this is possible. Thank you for learning with me, and see you next time.